When last you have sex? When last you have sex?
When did I shit?
Alright people, another challenge. Alright, what I know?
I would never.
Hey! wait. Let's do the intro first. So right now we're gonna do the headphone challenge. Where headphone?
In my head.
Oh, we're gonna use the Beats headphone. So she's gonna wear the Beats headphone first. I'm gonna say something and she's gonna tell me what I say. Vice versa. Alright, so I don't remember her real name. So a headphone challenge me I call it. So anyway, alright, when last you have sex? When last you have sex?
When did I shit?
I said when last you have sex?
What the fuck?
When last I shit?
I like to eat ass.
What? What?
I like to eat ass.
You got what?
I like to eat ass.
You have sex?
I like to eat ass.
You like straight guys?
What do you say? I like to eat ass.
You like sweet ass?
I like to eat ass.
Oh shit! Me agami yard. Me agami yard.
You hungry?
Me agami yard.
Why would you want them all alone?
I said me agami yard.
Like why would you want them all alone?
Alright, next one.
He broke the headphones, so I
I
have
did.
to use my things now. He broke them. Here.
Headphone broke, I saw it go. See? Alright, so alright, ready? Me no know where you come from.
You don't know where I come from.
Hey, no, you cheat. Put this back over ears. What up?
I'm not cheating.
No, she hear me too clear.
I can see your mouth.
Alright, come again. Try that one again.
I like to smoke soap.
You like to eat balls?
I like to smoke soap.
I like to bar soap. What?
I like to smoke soap.
You like to bar soap?
I like to smoke soap.
You like to smoke dope?
What do you say? I like to smoke soap.
Yes. This shit is hard. You still want shit?
If I want dick?
Yeah. You still want shit?
If I want dick?
No.
Why would I want dick?
No. Stop it. I said, if you still want shit.
Beyonce got a fat ass.
You like a girl with a fat ass?
Beyonce got a fat ass.
Beyonce have a fat ass?
Yes. Yes.
That's what you say, yes! Shit, me get one. Oh. When last you got Jamaica?
What?
When last you got Jamaica?
Why are you asking me if I ate ass?
When last you got Jamaica?
Whoa! When's the last time I ate it? What?
Stop it. Stop it.
Wait, what?
I said, when last you go to Jamaica?
What the fuck?
Alright. You like short man or tall man?
Huh?
You like short man or tall man?
I don't. I like vagina.
You like tall man or short man?
I like. If I'm a lesbian.
Stop it. I say if you like tall men or short men.
What the fuck? I'm more into guys, not girls.
You like boys, not girls? Alright. What's the worst thing ever happened to you? What's the worst thing ever happened to you?
If I was a virgin in school? Why are you laughing?
What's the worst thing ever happened to you? What's the worst thing ever happened to you?
What's the virgin in you? Wait.
I said, what's the worst thing ever happened to you?
Did I get anything right?
No? Alright, people. Thank you for watching another video. Alright. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please subscribe. Understand? And follow up on Instagram at
Phaedra52, PHAEDRA 52.
Yeah.
And my YouTube.
You have a YouTube. Yeah. I'll put everything so you can see it over top of our head or something. So alright, so thank you for watching this video. Hope so you have fun doing this. Alright, thank you.